A symmetry line divides a shape into two identical mirror image halves, ensuring that if you fold the shape along this line, both sides match perfectly. Symmetry lines are important in geometry and art for creating a sense of balance. In today's video, I will guide you through the process of creating these symmetry lines for cut and paste activities in your activity book. So we're gonna start with Canva. As we're gonna use Canva for this project. So we're gonna go to elements. So we're gonna get a cycle. So with this cycle, we're gonna go to border style. So we're gonna choose the border style, which is gonna be this one, and then we're gonna go and look for the line. So we're gonna put the line, and then we're gonna put the lines here in between the cycle to make it half. So we can even turn it around if maybe want it to be 90 degrees. So it's 90 degrees. So with this one, we can just combine these two elements, the cycle and the line. So we're gonna put it together, and then we're gonna just increase the size so that we can see clearly. So with this line, we can just go to the line style. So we can just change it to this dots line. So we're gonna just leave it like that. So we can even just let's just duplicate the whole thing. So we're gonna duplicate it to this that. So we can just change the color. Let's just change the color to white. Okay, in order for us to be able to cut this cycle into two halves, we need to save this as a png. Let's just go share and download, and we're gonna use a transparent background. So we're gonna download this image. So we're gonna open another page here, and then we're gonna go to uploads. So let's go to uploads, files, and then we're gonna need to get the file that we just downloaded. Okay, so this is the image that we need. So now it's an image. It's no longer just a normal I think it was SGV. So we've got this image now. So now, as you can see, we've got this option now of moving it like that. So with this one, we didn't have it. You see, when you try to, we did have it, but when you try to move it to give you half, look what is giving us. It's not giving us what we actually need. Delete this page, and then we're gonna concentrate on this page. Okay, so I'm gonna just bring everything to just bring this image like that, and then duplicate the image, and then I'm gonna move this one to that side, and then bring this one here, and then I'm gonna just delete this one because I need this. I need the second image. I've got the first one, so the second one is also here, so I can able to work on this one. So it should be the same size. Let's see size. You can just bring this image here, and then bring this one just to make sure that we've got a very nice alignment. All right, so we're gonna just use this, and then we're gonna just bring it like this. So we're gonna cut it into two pieces. So we're gonna cut it like that. So with this one, we're going to duplicate like we did on the first images. So we're gonna just do like that, and then we're gonna bring this one also to this. Okay, so when I combine these two, it should give me the exact shape. So this is how it should be. So I can able to move it around. Then when the kids are coming to cut, they can actually cut this shape very well. There is a there are the lines there that will actually show them where they should cut, and then they can be able to paste them to this side, and then that's how easy it is for them to create this. So I'm gonna just show you on another image. We're gonna use another image, so we're going to use the same process. So let's just go to elements, and then we're gonna take this image. So I'm gonna just put this image here, and then I'm adding another image. So I'm gonna just take this one too, and then put it like that. And then what else can I use? I can use a B as well. Okay, so we're gonna put the B here, and then we're gonna put the other one here. So let's just get a symmetry line. So we're gonna get this one already, it has dots, so it's gonna be easy. Let's just put it here on the pink. We immediately shows that pink line. It shows that is actually the correct place to cut. So we're gonna leave this one there, or we can just duplicate. Let's just combine them together and duplicate. So we're gonna just put it here. Okay, so let's change, let's ungroup. We're gonna ungroup them, and then use this line and change it the color to white, like that. Okay, so you can just combine it, group it together. Okay, let's just open another page. So let's bring this one here. So we've got all those images now. So this is the first one. So we're gonna just bring it like this. Gonna cut it into 2 pieces. That one we don't need, so we're gonna just leave it like that. Okay, so we're gonna duplicate this, and then we're gonna bring it like that, and then we're gonna cut it into half again. So this is the half of the butterfly. When you put them together like that, is giving the full image. I'm gonna put it like that. Okay, so we're gonna get another image. So I'm gonna do everything into one page. So we're gonna just bring this one like that. Okay, let's put it here. Let's duplicate, and then we're gonna bring it into half. So let's see if it will fit. It fits perfectly. So we're gonna just bring it like that, and then put this one also that side. Okay, so we can just put them like this. Can just put them like that, and then we can just go back to elements, and then put this one here, and then we're gonna need to also want to put this one there. Okay, so we're gonna change the color of the B. So since it's giving out the option into changing the color, then it's gonna be an easy job. So just gonna do it like that and change it, the white one into black. So this is the image of this one. So with this, because it's not giving out the image, the option of changing the color, then I'm gonna go to edit the image, and then we go into the do tone. So we're gonna choose the first one, which is the custom, and then the shadow is already black, and then we're gonna go to highlights. So the highlights, it needs also to be changed to black. So this is how easy it is to into this, and then we can just increase the size like that. We can also increase the size of this one like that, just to make sure that it fits. So it's perfect like this. So we can just remove this one. So this is the actual size. So you see, if you put them together, they will form on that on the dark one. It's gonna fit perfectly when you cut them and paste them there. So we're gonna just leave it here like that. So let's just do the same with the B. So I'm not sure if the size will be perfect. If it's not perfect, we're gonna need to increase the size. Okay, so we're gonna bring this one here. Okay, so we're gonna also bring this one to this. So when it's complete, it's gonna be like this. The keys will be cutting this one and then putting it into the dark one. So we're gonna just need to add another page. Go to the upload. So we're gonna just tick this one. Let's just bring this one. Let's cut it, and then let's duplicate. Gonna leave it like that. So let's just do like this, and we gonna get this flower. So I think by this time you get what and how you should be doing this. I hope you actually enjoyed and understood and how to create this. I'm afraid we came to the end of our video. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tutorials help you understand how to create symmetry lines for your cut and paste activities. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye bye.